So got this BMW in, cleaning some stuff up on it. Just redid these headlights, cleared them up a bit. I'll show what they looked like before. But the main reason of this video is these door pull things. So this is actually a new one, but I took the old one off, and as you can see, like, I guess it's just been sitting in heat or whatever, like it's got hot. But yeah, all of this rubber material, whatever this is, it just kind of melts. So I hope y'all can see this good, but this is just my thumb in this. So squeeze that a little bit. So it got a little smut on there. This right here, like, watch this. Like, this whole chunk can just come off. So it's, I don't know what this stuff is, like what it's made of, but like all of them are caking up and just terrible to the hand. So I got this door panel off. I missed all of that. This was actually already off, so the door panel itself was off, but it's a screw right here. Like, this cover pops off, screw right there. It's a screw there, a screw there. I think it's a screw there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I don't even know what size. Like I said, they were already out when I got here, but the trim piece goes here, it just pops off. That pops off, screws. Anyway, you get to the back of the door panel. You just unhook the wires that went into the speakers. You unhook this door thing. Most of this was already unhooked when I got here, but the main deal is this is where the 2 parts of the old door handle went. It was 2 there, and it was 2 here. So this is the old one. These are actually plastic welded onto the actual door panel. So you got to drill them out. So just drilled holes right in the middle of it until that broke, and then kind of wiggle this out. The new piece is just regular holes, and it comes with screws that go with it. So you just screw it in. So yeah, this is if you got a BMW and you're dealing with that, the swap is not that hard. It's just drilling that out. The door panel actually comes off pretty easy. Everything snaps straight off. Even at the top, everything, all the snaps just go straight sideways, so nothing has to lift up, just pull straight sideways. You don't have to pull this off. But yeah, let me go ahead and screw these last 2 in, and I'll snap this on. I'll show y'all, what it looks like with all the pieces back on it. So option number 2, if you don't want to replace the whole thing, so like these back ones, I don't have the extra ones for the back. I really didn't know the whole thing was melting or whatever. So what I did on this side, got a razor blade, which I put some on, and really just scraped all of that melted rubber stuff off, so it's just smooth plastic. But the stuff was only on there to make it feel luxury or whatever back in the day when it came out. But I think this is a 09, so it's been like 13 years or so. And yeah, it doesn't really work for luxury feel no more once it gets old and melted. So just scrape it off. It just feel like plastic, and you can grab this without getting gunk all over your fingers. So this is everything that was scraped off just to this one door. So it's a lot, but scrape it off, clean it real good, and then you should be straight.